So I got a brand new 50-inch hose for the house because the sun is coming out, the springs are springing, the flowers are growing, and I wanted to show you all about my new hose that I got right from Amazon, okay? Like I said, it's about 50 feet and I absolutely love everything that comes with it. So as you can see in my hand, I love the design. And then here is the off and on nodule. So right now this is off when it's horizontal, and then to turn it on, you just move it down vertical position. And then here of course is the spray holder. You push it just like that, and it comes with many different settings, which I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's get started. So right now we're in about shower mode, so we're going to go ahead and shower this tree down. Okay, I absolutely love the shower mode, so let's go ahead and show you what a different setting is. So here we go. This is called flat, just like that. And then let's crank it up to full blast right in the center, just as it should be. Okay, and then here's actually center, more power right in the center of the hose. And then you have 1.5 vert, just like that, so about half of that. Ooh, just like that. And then you have a mist, which is more so light and airy and things like that. And then you have the angle, of course, that gets the water out in an angle. And then you have the soaker, guys. Boom, right? Nice and soaker, just like that. And then the jet, there we go, which is a little bit more power with a little bit more distance to it. And then we come back to the cone, just like that. Now here's something else that I really like about this, okay? So I'm going to show you a feature. This link right here, the silver link on the end of your handle, you can actually lock it into place. So as I go ahead and push down, I'm going to put the link down as well, and guess what? It's doing it for me. I don't have to push it. I don't have to do anything. I've locked it in place. How cool is that? Okay, it also comes with a hanger, so you can attach this to your outdoor wall or wall of your choice. So say I wanted to hang it right here, this is my opportunity to do so, and I'll just stick it or drill it right there in the wall, and the hose wraps around it for easy convenience. Now it also comes with 2 replaceable nodules for replacements. Okay, so after we use some of the rings on the inside of this, we want to make sure we're keeping up to date and keeping our products healthy. All right, so make sure you go to Amazon and get yours today.